Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is draw a curved line like this. Then draw two straight lines going up on an angle. And now we're going to need to connect these two lines. But we're not going to just draw a straight line across. We need it to be a big curve. And so what we're going to do is just draw lots of small curved lines going up and then going back down. Okay, so that's the outside of the shell done. Now we need to add detail on the inside. Draw a straight line going all the way down. Okay, so there's one thing I actually forgot to add to the outside of the shell, so I'm just going to do that now with curved lines. Now there's one more thing you can do on the inside of the shell as well. And that is to basically add little curves like this on the inside, following the shape of the big curve on the outside. But this is completely up to you, you don't have to do this. And what I'm actually going to do is just erase that, because I actually think it'll look better to add this shape in later on when I add in the colour. Okay, so now I'm going to draw the face. So start off by adding two black dots, add white highlights, and then draw a little smile underneath the eyes. And that's it, how to draw a cartoon seashell. If you enjoyed that video, remember to subscribe because there's going to be loads more videos like this one coming up.